everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix battery draining fast on your Galaxy Bud Pro. In order to fix it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Your Samsung Galaxy Bud Pro are draining battery quick. Several factors could be playing. First, you want to ensure your battery are fully charged and in a charging case when not in use. You could also try updating your software, so keep your Galaxy Buds Pro firmware and Galaxy Wearable app up to date. Update often include bug fix and performance improvement. ANC consumes a significant amount of power. If you don't need it, consider turning it off. That should be able to help you out. Apart from it, you could also go ahead and make sure that the high quality audio streaming and intense uses can drain the battery faster. You could disable that feature as well when not in use. Or else ensure that the earbuds are properly seated in the charging case and the charging pins are making good contact. You could also make sure that the charging case is properly closed when charging. That could be able to help you out. Or else you could also try resetting your Galaxy Bud Pro by opening the Galaxy Wearable app, going to About Earbud section, and reset. You could go and make changes as well. Now place both buds in a case, press and hold the button on a case for a few minutes until the LED flash red and green, then reconnect them to your device, and that should be able to help you out. And despite of doing all of these procedures, if that doesn't seem to be working out, you want to seek support. So you could go ahead and open a browser and type in Mido1311 on the Samsung community. Then you could go ahead and state about the issue. They should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.